Welcome back to Step Up. Today we got a call from a homeowner who noticed mold growing on a basement wall. They thought it was just a small area that needed to be repaired. But when we arrived, we told them we couldn't do that. From what we saw, it looked like the damage went much deeper. The homeowner explained that a few months earlier, a pipe had burst in the furnace room. There was a lot of water in the basement, not just a small puddle. The pipe was fixed, and the water on the concrete floor was cleaned up. But no one checked where the water had traveled. It spread underneath the flooring and soaked into the bottom of the drywall, the insulation, and the wood framing in the room beside it. Even though the floor looked dry again, moisture remained trapped inside the walls. Eventually, mold started showing through the painted drywall. By the time you can see mold on the surface, the problem may already be much bigger, behind the walls. So we opened them up, and unfortunately, our concerns were confirmed. The mold had spread throughout the wall cavity. The drywall, insulation, and wood were all affected. This is why water damage should never be taken lightly. If a basement floods or a pipe leaks, don't assume everything is fine just because the standing water is gone. Water can travel into places you can't see, and if it's left there, mold can grow for months before anyone notices. Hidden mold can affect indoor air quality and may cause health problems, especially for children, older adults, people with asthma or allergies, and even pets. No family should have to live in those conditions without knowing what's behind their walls. The lesson is simple. Don't just fix the pipe. Make sure the affected areas are properly dried, inspected, and repaired. Fixing the problem the right way the first time can save your home, your money, and help keep your family living in a healthier environment. At Step Up, we believe in fixing the problem the right way, not just covering it up. Before working around mold, make your personal safety your top priority. Disturbing mold can release spores, so use proper protective equipment, like quality gloves and a fitted respirator or mask. While you're working, avoid touching your face, and if you take a break, wash your hands thoroughly first. If soap and water aren't available, use hand sanitizer until you can wash properly. It's also smart to clean or disinfect your phone, tools, and anything you handle. When the job is done, remove work clothes carefully, wash them separately, and shower well. Hands, face, hair, and exposed skin. Those small habits help protect you and your home. At Step Up, we believe doing things professionally means protecting yourself every step of the way. Today, we're restoring a basement damaged by a major water leak a few months ago. We're removing mold-damaged drywall, replacing any affected wood, replacing the damaged flooring, and rebuilding the area properly. When the homeowner first contacted us, they had noticed a small patch of mold on the wall and thought it was just a small repair. After inspecting the area, we explained that we couldn't just patch it. From our experience, visible mold usually means there's more hidden damage behind the wall. The homeowner explained that a pipe had burst in the furnace room a few months earlier. There was a lot of water in the basement, the plumber fixed the pipe, and the standing water was cleaned up. But no one checked where the water had traveled. Water can move under flooring, soak into drywall, insulation, and wood, and sit there for months while you can't see it. Before we cut into anything, we inspect the area carefully. We locate electrical wires, plumbing, and any other utilities so we can work safely. Then we use a multi-tool to make clean, controlled cuts. We don't just cut around the visible mold, we cut above the affected area to see the full extent. Once we opened the wall, our concerns were confirmed. The mold had spread through the wall cavity. We'll be removing the damaged drywall, replacing any affected wood where necessary, installing new drywall, replacing the damaged flooring, and rebuilding the area properly. This is why fixing the leak isn't enough. Water damage needs to be investigated completely. If moisture is left behind, mold can keep growing out of sight. Mold can affect indoor air quality and may cause health problems, especially for people with asthma or other respiratory conditions. At Step Up, we don't believe in covering up problems. We believe in fixing them the right way the first time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for more home tips and transformations. This video ended halfway, but we'll be bringing you the full repair process and step-by-step tutorials in the complete video. Stay tuned for the full transformation.